How's it going, everyone? This is Tom's Adventures. I'm Tom. This
is Julian.
Thanks for clicking on this video. Hit that like and subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. If you like magnet fishing or any outdoorsy type videos, greatly appreciate it. Today, we're back in Jamestown, New York. We're back to a familiar bridge, and we're gonna find some really cool stuff, hopefully. So stick around for that. Also, you'll be able to see me use my new magnet that I got from Centurion Magnetics. If you want anything from them, from a magnet to rope to anything, if you're a beginner or a pro like us, if that's what you want to call us. Anyway, there's a link in the description down below. You can also save 10% if you use the promo code Put It in the Bucket, all one word, caps down here, as you see. So go over there, buy some stuff, get 10% off. Greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate you guys. Appreciate all y'all. Let's put it in the bucket. Whoosh. Let's go under this bridge, my guy. Step, step, step. Hold. Just don't fall.
Try not to.
Well, we get here and you see what kind of stuff goes on down here. Don't touch any of that stuff, Jew. All right, first throw with the Centurion magnet. Nice throw, bud. I got some nice clams with a bunch of bugs all over them that I got. That's a bolt of some sort. What you got there, buddy? Mine looks like a combination of a railroad spike and some bolt.
Oh, boys.
Let's go. What you got, bud? That's a nice flat piece of metal. What's on that? Oh, kind of cool.
Kind of cool?
Looks kind of cool. Slightly cool, not just kind of.
What bucket is the put in?
This bucket is the put it in a bucket.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You hit the bridge. Hey now. What in the world is that? A bolt. I like finding bolts, I guess. That's a little bolt. Cool. Or it's just a head to a bolt. Either way. Put it in the bucket. Finding some cool stuff over here, buddy?
No.
Okay. Maybe. That's a nice face you're making.
Thanks, man.
Got something on there, bud. I think. It feels kind of heavy. Oh yeah, I definitely got something. I just moved a bunch of bubbles. Oh yeah, I definitely found something. There's actually something on that too. Just a flat piece of something. There's glass in it. It looks like glass. Huh. Ooh, is that a hook? No, it's not. Oh, there's another piece of it on the other side of this double-sided magnet. There are two pieces of metal and a bunch of stuff we don't want to eat. Can I get a yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Reesh, you ate it. That's some good yes, sirs, my guy. That's a can of something. It is open. Is it? I'm not gonna taste it, bud. Let's see what it is. Can't see what it is. I don't know. Someone ate that. Opened it up, probably down here. Ew. Got something there, buddy? Ho 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 ho. Some nice rusted metal. That's why we out here, bro. You are out here.
Now, how you do that?
What I do what?
How you do that?
Not hit the bridge?
Yeah.
You throw it to an angle where you don't, you know, hit the bridge.
Oh,
What is that?
a bar.
It looks like a cane.
I don't know.
Is it a cane or is it a bar?
It's a bar.
Oh, I think I got something. I did get something. What is that? A bracket of some sort. It looks like. Let me put it down in the camera view. Man. Metal. Nothing that I can really make out. Just metal. That just kind of looks like some sort of bracket, but I don't know. But I'm gonna put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. That echoed. Echo! Look. There's a nut. I want to put this in the bucket. You ready?
Yep. You have it.
Oh no! Ah. I'll have to get that out of the water. I know where it went, so we're good. What up, bud?
I'm sweating and I haven't really done it.
That's because it's humid. I'm moving something. I don't know if it's a rock or a piece of metal, but I got something. Look at all the bubbles. I can feel it sliding off of it. I think it's caught on a rock. Yeah. Try that again. There she is. I think I have it, bro. I'm trying to just jerk it a little bit, you know? Pretty sure I have it. Whatever it is. I got it. I got it, bud. I got it, bud. What in the world is that, bro? Oh! Nice. Nice. That is the first cool find that we've ever found. Awesome, bro. That's so cool.
Right around, bud.
Wanna go pop some wheelies on it, buddy?
Why couldn't?
Hey, see if it still rides. Yeah, it does. You think I should ride it right into the water? Wait for it. Bro.
That's cool, bro.
Look at that. Is that not the coolest find ever? Oh my goodness. I knew I had something. I'm so excited about that. That is so cool. Heck yeah, a scooter, bro. Oh, I also have hook, line, and sinker without the hook. I found a scooter, buddy. You got a bunch of seaweed there, buddy? Oh, no, you got something else there. What is that?
I don't know, bud.
Can't tell what it is because of all the freaking clams.
Yeah. What'd you get, bud?
Some scrap, bud. I got nothing. How's it going? Found a scooter.
Same area?
It's in the same area, yeah. Yeah, we just did a little bit ago. How's it going? Magnet fishing. Found a scooter.
Did you catch anything?
Scooter, that's about it. Yeah. We have a magnet that we get metal out of the water.
I don't appreciate it being filmed.
Oh, did someone say that?
No, up there.
Oh. Oh. You don't appreciate the film when you got two other cameras on you. Hey, now. What you got there, buddy? Some of that.
Pipe,
whatever.
Some of that good pipe.
Some of that pipe or whatever the heck that was that we got out from here before. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. I got it. Just in case anyone was wondering. Hey, look at that, buddy. Found something to a pipe.
I might need
Like an elbow piece.
and a thing right there.
And a bolt. Bottom part of a bolt. Hey, maybe that's the bottom part of the bolt that I found earlier.
Maybe.
Where it was mainly just the top part of it. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Look at that. Elbow piece, bolt. Good stuff. Put it in the bucket. Hey.
You know how like you're my big bro,
And
right?
how I got stuck.
You got this, big bro. You got that big bro.
Oh, that's no bueno.
Big bro, right? You got this.
Yeah, bro. Of course I got this, my guy.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, oh, god dang. Oh, God. Oh, you're lucky. Oh, man. I thought I was going in the water for a second there. Oh, man. All right, let's not throw it to that spot again. Whew.
I mean, I didn't throw it to that spot, you know.
Let's try on the other side a little bit.
I'm sad.
Why?
Bro, there's a railroad spike right there.
Where? There's a railroad spike, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's...
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Found a railroad spike not even in the water. Good for you, my G.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess you know the magical words there, bud. You're not wrong. Yeah, bucket's all the way down there, buddy.
Say about
Metal?
yeah.
Something about possibly putting it in something called a... Oh, what the heck's it called? A bucket? What even? That's just a flat piece of metal. Just a flat piece of metal.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. We found a good bit of stuff, actually. Best find to date, a scooter that still actually rides. You want to ride it? Ride it. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. I need this. I need to see you ride it. You ever rode one of those?
A long time ago, bro.
Please just don't die, you know? Alrighty, we are done with this video. We found some pretty cool stuff, but obviously the highlight of the day was the scooter. Thing rides like it was built yesterday. Pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a pretty cool scooter, man.
Pretty cool scooter, buddy.
Yeah, man. You know, the wheels were blue and it, you know.
Sure, buddy.
Bro.
Whatever you want to say.
Bro.
Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, if you want any Centurion Magnetics products, magnet, rope, gloves, anything, go to the link in the description down below and you can get 10% off by putting "put it in the bucket," all caps, all one word. Good stuff. So go do that. Like the video, subscribe. Obviously, if you're not subscribed and you are here at the end of the video, you like us for some reason. So why not just subscribe? We greatly appreciate it. It helps us out. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Tom's Adventures.
Peace.
Oh!
What?
What?
Just like,
Final word, you.
oh God. Final word is See you in the next one? I did it before you. How do you feel about that one?
What do you mean you did it before me?
I don't think you said see you in the next one.
I already said that.
Did you really?
Yeah, bruh.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention, bro.
Obviously.
Listen, man, it's okay.
Your generation doesn't pay attention. So.
Oh, wow.
Bye.